Are you looking for a healthy and delicious tea option? Look no further than Moringa tea. In this video, we will discuss the numerous benefits of drinking Moringa tea and show you step by step on how to make it. Moringa tea is made from the leaves of the Moringa plant, which is native to Africa and Asia. Moringa leaves are known for their many health benefits, and Moringa tea is a great way to enjoy these benefits in a delicious and easy-to-make drink. Moringa tea has numerous health benefits. It is packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Moringa tea is also known to lower blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity. Additionally, it can help improve digestion, promote weight loss, and lower cholesterol. Making Moringa tea is quick and easy. You will need some fresh Moringa leaves, water, and your favorite sweetener optional. Bring a pot of water to a boil, add the leaves, and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Strain the leaves, pour your tea into a cup, and add your sweetener if desired. Enjoy your healthy and delicious Moringa tea. In conclusion, Moringa tea is a healthy and tasty drink that you should definitely try. Its numerous health benefits make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to improve their overall health and well-being. So, brew yourself a cup of Moringa tea today and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer.